Imagine this, you are running a business, everything is running fine, but all of a sudden one fine day you realize that your bank balance is running dangerously low. You check your outstanding invoices, customers haven't paid on time, you check your expenses, you have overspent somewhere, and taxes, let us not go there. Sounds familiar? Now, what if I told you all this chaos can be avoided not with a magic wand, but with the right financial tools and systems? No more Excel sheets to give you nightmares, no more late payments, and no more tax shocks. In this video, I will talk about tools and techniques that businesses use to run their finances like a well-oiled machinery. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a bulletproof financial system that will save you time, money, and also some grey hairs. Let's face it, running a business is not about earning money, but it is about managing money smartly. And trust me, figuring this out later is the most expensive financial strategy that you may have. Here's the deal. Without proper financial system, you will struggle with cash flows because you will not know where the money is coming from and where the money is going. You will be paying tax penalties because you will be missing compliance on a regular basis. You will be overspending, and because you are not tracking, you will never know where the money is going. And in all this, you will be wasting your time because you are doing things manually instead of automation, and this is a no thanks job. Now let's jump into tools and techniques that can help you solve these problems before your bank account looks like an abandoned ghosted town. Here are a few financial tools that you must have. First, a good accounting software. It can be Tally, it can be Zoho, it can be SAP or any other good accounting ERP software. Relying on Excel sheets or manual accounts is like using Nokia 3310 in the times of iPhones. You are outdated. This accounting software will help you to automate invoices, reconcile bank statements, do data entry more accurately, and run your business report in a click of seconds. Second is a tool or a software for invoicing and payment automation. Invoicing manually and sending them manually is a full-time job. And trust me, yours and your team's time is worth more than that. You can use softwares like Razorpay, Zoho, Tally for invoicing and automating your payment reminders. Send reminders automatically, integrate with your bank account, and make sure that you are paid on time. Third tool is an expense management software. You can use tools like Zoho Expenses, Expensify, or even you can use Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheets. Tracking expenses will help you to identify what are necessary expenses and what are avoidable expenses. This will further help you to minimize your cash outflows and also help you to do proper data entry in your accounting softwares. Software for tax compliance and planning. One option would be to give this to professionals who will be doing tax compliance and filing for your behalf, for your company. However, if you are doing this compliances and tax filing in-house, try to get a software that will make your life easy. These softwares will help you to maintain proper records, will give you reminders for timely filings, and will help you to avoid penalties. Fourth are tools for budgeting and forecasting. Automated Google Sheets and Excel sheets are a good option for this thing. A business without a budget is like driving blindfolded. You don't know which way you are heading until you hit a crash. Budgeting and forecasting will help you plan your revenues, expenses, and allot fund wisely. And lastly, a tool to monitor your cash flow. Again, automated Google Sheets and Excel spreadsheets are a good option here. Always remember, being profitable and having money in your bank are two different things. A lot of profitable business shut down because they have poor cash flow. A proper cash flow will give you insights on when the money is coming in and when the payments are due. This will help you to fall into a no cash traps. Alright, now let us put this all together and define a financial system that will help your company to run like a Fortune 500 company. So step 1 is to identify and implement a proper accounting software. Step 2 is to automate your invoicing and payment reminders. Step 3 is to track your expenses properly. Step 4 is to defining a system for tax compliances. Step 5 is to define a budgeting tool for planning your finances. And step 6 is to define and implement a tool to monitor your cash flow daily. Once you have this system in place, you will never have to guess your business finances again. No more stress, no more manual errors, just clear and accurate number that will help you make business decisions better. Now tell me, how many of these tools and techniques are you already using, or you are still using books and papers and Excel sheet like it's 1995? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because I'll be dropping more finance hack to make your business smarter. Thank you.